Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial where I'll teach you how to pin a post on Instagram. So first off, we want to open up the Instagram app and we want to go to our profile in the right corner right here. So after we're taken to this page, we want to click on the post which we want to pin. Now here you will see these three dots right here in the right corner, right above the image. So we want to click on them. And here you can see the option pin to profile, pin to your profile. So if we click on that, this is now going to be our pinned post. So thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time. Take care everyone. Bye bye.